Okay, so guys, I am just returning from library. As usual, so I have got my pharmacology test tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just gonna like study a bit because abhi bus just posting hai from 6:30 surgery ki. So I have to just rush. Actually, I'm in this t-shirt and leggings. So I just have to go and change everything and quickly rush to the surgery department because I'm already running late. So guys, this is the surgery department. We are in the wards right now and each one of us is just waiting for a mentor to come, and we all are very excited to attend the first class of surgery. Feels like a doctor. We have come for the surgery posting, guys. It's evening, it's a Sunday and we have come for the surgery posting. मैं घर जाने वाली थी and suddenly message आया कि posting है because like हमारी surgery posting शुरू हो गई. So this is our first day of surgery posting. And guys, meet my friend Mukul. Hi.
हेलो गाइस.
और कैसा लग रहा है शाम का आगे?
अच्छा लग रहा है. मुझे भी 15 मिनट पहले ही पता चला है कि सर्जरी की पोस्टिंग में आना है.
Like बहुत डॉक्टर फील आ रहा है, like you have to leave aside your personal work and get on to the duties. So,
you serious?
Yeah. Okay, I'll just show you guys how the surgery department looks and yeah. So guys, we are just heading towards our classroom that's in the academic block in the basement. This is a small temple in our department that looks very beautiful. And in the surgery postings, we are assigned a case according to our roll numbers, and every day we have to take the case. We have to go to the patient and take the history, ask everything about it, and then represent our case the next day. Once you enter the second year of your medical life, you'll start getting worried about how you can start preparing for NEET PG preparation, for your NEET PG exams, and you will find each one of your friend around you talking about this same exam. So guys, here I introduce you to an app that is the Prep Ladder. So guys, it is the best preparation app for your professional exams, that are your internal exams, as well as for the NEET PG preparation. So guys, you can download the app from the link given in the description box, and guys, the best part is that you can review the app on your own. So guys, talking about the facts now, the strike rate last year was 84% and this time it has risen up to 92.5%. Like that's a major rise. And guys, strike rate means 92.5% of the questions were directly taken from the Prep Ladder app. So guys, you know what, the strike rate speaks for itself. So guys, the major highlights of this Prep Ladder app are that you get the video lectures based on the next pattern, that is the new pattern for NEET PG exam. Secondly, you get question banks along with the flashcards, and thirdly, you get the handwritten notes and the information boxes throughout the modules and the lectures. So at last, you also get a set of particular mnemonics and also a set of important topics so that you stay focused throughout your preparation. Guys, you can enroll for the Dream Pack 4.0 on the Prep Ladder app just by using my code PURVI1500 in order to get a straight away 1500 rupees off on this subscription. Like this is a huge offer, a 1500 off straight away on any subscription. So guys, usually it takes 1.5 hours for the evening posting and it's somewhere around 8:30 and we're just returning to the hostels. Guys, this is one of the postings that you will just love attending in a medical college.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so hey everyone, this is somewhere around 2:30 in the morning. I just don't feel like sleeping. I don't know what I'm going to do right now. I've just finished watching a movie on Netflix and after this I don't know what I'm going to do. I was writing the diary. I was just introspecting my life 1 hour ago and a lot of confusing things like that. Basically my life is not on track right now. I am not studying, I am not working out, I am like literally not doing anything because last month was really very tiring and I haven't get over that thing whatever happened last month. Guys, just remember one thing for life. Doesn't matter how bad your day was, but just take a rest, keep calm and just get back to the work. My previous days were not going well, but then I took a break and I've like again started with the YouTube and my studies. So yeah, right now I'm just trying to find some good music for my YouTube videos, and then I'll have a sound sleep. It's another day, guys. The weather is really very beautiful. It's windy, bit cloudy, and finally I've got relief from the sweltering heat.
8:01 p.m.
So the morning classes start from 8 o'clock and it goes up till 10 o'clock. Basically we have the two classes in between, and then we have got the postings from 10 to 1. After that we have the break, and again 2 to 4 we have got the classes. So guys, everybody is studying in the class except for my two cute friends जो कि डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि केक कौन सा मंगाना है. Like we have an upcoming birthday, so yeah, we're just planning a big bash birthday party. Hi guys, this is the changing room of surgery, and I've just come from my regular classes to the posting, and I have got these OT clothes here. I just have to change it, and I'm all set to go to the OT. Okay, so guys, these are the oversized clothes. Like this is just one size so that everybody can wear this. Like this is not fitting, so you can see you know how oversized it is, but then yeah, it looks cool because oversized is a fashion. Okay, so this is how I look. So I just have to change the slippers, put on the head cover, the mask and everything, and this I'm all set to go to the OT. Well,
3 hours later.
हेलो गाइस, तो स्वागत है आपका फिर से एक पूरी सजा नाम की व्लॉग में. हम लेके आ गए आपके लिए एकदम धमाकेदार, एकदम तरोताजा, एकदम ऐसा व्लॉग जिसको देख के आपके पैरों के नीचे से आसमान और सर के ऊपर से जमीन खिसक जाएगी.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
okay, so guys, we're just returning from the class and it's already 4 o'clock. So we're just gonna eat an ice cream and then just go back to the hostel. And then just
2,000 years later.
Guys, I just slept for an hour and it rained heavily in that time, and when I woke up I just found this. Okay guys, I just woke up and it was raining. Rainbow, that my god, I have been like wishing to see a rainbow since a long time. Okay, because the last I saw a rainbow in class 6. So yeah, that is
You pressing your
Guys, looking at the weather is so good and the sky looks so beautiful. We decided to go on a drive, and yes, it went really well. Due to heavy rains, the power supply of almost the whole area was cut, so we decided to hop onto a place where we can have a sasta or acha khana. College students can definitely relate. So finally we found this place where we can have this candlelight dinner क्योंकि यहाँ already light नहीं आ रही थी. So guys, how was it?
One eternity later.
So guys, in a medical college, no matter how much fun you do, wherever you go, it always ends with studies. It always ends with books. Yes, like so it's somewhere around 9:30 and I'm just going to revise quickly a very small topic from pharmacology. And yes, the library is almost empty by this time because it closes at 10 o'clock.